Pricing options 2. Importing vendor pricing into summary from an Excel spreadsheet. Starting in the summary area, we see all the items that we've taken off. Let's make sure to select the correct vendor that we wish to use, and in this case, that'll be Standard Supply. In the summary toolbar, we'll click the printer icon drop-down, and then we'll select the Cost Request Export option. A report generates and appears on the screen. We must send it over to our supplier in the correct format. In the top toolbar in this window, we'll click the drop-down. We must export in Microsoft Excel data-only format. Once that file is created, we will then send it over to the supply house for updating. As a note, we can clean the file up a bit so that once they receive it, they're able to read what it is and understand what we are looking for, which is that they must put the price in the new price column. We're just going to make that column red to make things easier to identify. Also, we're going to leave them a note as to what needs to happen with this. For example, we're going to just leave a note that says put all pricing in column E. And again, the reason we do that is because we don't know who will pick this up from week to week, so we're just going to leave a note and highlight it. Next, we're going to save this file and email it over to Standard Supply. Once Standard Supply receives the email, and after they price the items, we can see that Standard has gotten the email, and they've gone ahead and added the new prices in red. Next, we want to go ahead and run the price update so that the items will appear in IntelliBid. I'm going to go back to the top of the summary area and click the vendor drop-down to ensure that my selected vendor is correct. Now, in the summary toolbar, we'll click the blue icon with the red arrow, or the Import Cost Request Export File button. We'll click that. Now IntelliBid wants us to go find the pricing file, which is the one that came back from Standard Supply. We click Open, and now it says click OK to begin the import. When we click OK, we should see some of these values turn to red based on the pricing that they have sent back. And now it says the update is complete. Now we can see that the new prices appear in summary. Thanks for watching this Conest tip video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more tips and to keep up to date with Conest software systems.